Hi guys, I'm Dallas Christopher and I'm here at Private Label Extensions, and this is your 2-minute tip for today. Let's talk about formulation, color formulation when you're coloring your wigs and or your extensions. Knowing how to properly formulate and to consider the many factors that affect beautiful color are the keys to making you a successful colorist. Now I wrote a few tips down, so let's just take a gander at them. To ensure optimum end results, you must follow proper formulation steps. And here are some of those factors that I want you to consider. The first one, natural level. You need to know what the natural level of this customer is or your client is by making sure that you're checking that with your natural level tips from level 1 all the way up to level 10. The next thing you want to focus on is canvas level. So you're saying, what is canvas level? It is what your eye sees in a totality of that head, where or what lives where you see mostly on that head. And that's what's considered a canvas level. The next thing you want to talk about is previous hair color. Girl, what you had on your head before. That's important. The old rule still stands the same. Color does not live color. So you might want to know what she did before, whether it was at home or with the other stylist before you try to jump in and do something. Test girl or test color. The next thing is desired level. Where does she want to go? You want to know what level she wants to live at, what color she wants to have, whether she wants that fire engine Rihanna or she wants something really subtle. You never know, but that's when you start asking that question, where does she want to go? And the last one is tonal base. Tonal base, you need to understand what you're fighting or what you're adding in, whether you're adding in more red or whether you're fighting that red. Those are your factors that you are going to use when you're coloring your extensions and or your weave or your wigs or when you are coloring your clients themselves. So there's your 2-minute tip for today. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.